since we're having a talk about women's safety, I'm going to go back into the red flags, right? So the Sensei Scan is essentially scanning your environment wherever you are. If you're stepping out onto the street, into a subway car, a train, a bus, a grocery store, a movie theater, a restaurant, wherever you are, a board meeting, wherever, you're tuning into the environment and you're reading now for safety. You're going to do 3 things: 1 breath, 1 scan, 1 right action. That is the Sensei Scan. Let's break it down. You take 1 deep breath. Hopefully you have some time, but sometimes you don't if you have to make a decision right away. But you take the longest, deepest breath that you can. So inhaling through your nose all the way. Fill up your belly first and then into your lungs. Take 1 big sip at the top if you can. Get any more in there. Hold it until it feels lightly uncomfortable, and then start to let it all go. And even when you think that there's no more left to let go of some more, what you're doing is resetting your nervous system in real time, tuning into that information highway between your brain and your gut. That's where information lives. That's where intuition lives. Now, scan. Step 2, scan 360. You don't have to turn your whole body or whip your head around. Just scan with all of your senses, right? Your entire environment. Tune in. Step 3, make 1 right action. 1 breath, 1 scan, 1 right action. What's that action going to be? Whatever your intuition is telling you, because it always has your back. Is it that you need to take a step to the left, a step to the right, a step back, say a word to set a boundary, set a powerful boundary, lean in, take the pulse of the situation? The point of this exercise is so that you start trusting your intuition, because it is like a muscle that you have to use and build over time. And like I said, once you start using it so often, it'll start becoming more and more automatic. But we have to tune in. So you have to take that breath. You have to do your scan. And then your intuition will tell you what the next right step is. It'll tell you to get off the subway car at the next stop if you need to, because all of a sudden you've tuned into somebody acting a little weird in the corner. Or maybe when you're at that happy hour, it'll tell you that you need to say a certain thing or ask a certain question to the person you're speaking to. Avoid someone or lean in towards someone else. All of these things will appear. They will start to become very clear to you of what you need to do on your next right step. So try on the Sensei Scan for the next few days, and then hopefully start to make it a habit, right? Scanning your environment in real time, listening to your intuition, and taking that next right step. That will help you feel more empowered and more safe in this world, both physically safe and psychologically safe. That's the key.